It's Dirtbike D-Lo. We're back with another video. We got some bikes right here. And that one over there. So today, basically what we about to do is we about to take the back tire off of this bike right here. Cause you know, this and all whatever. So actually, hold on y'all. So basically what we about to do, take the inner tube off of this the 150. Cause they're the same tire size basically. So we're gonna take the inner tube off of this and the tire, put on Dirtbike AJ, we're gonna put on his shit cause his inner tube and his threads all fucked up. So we're gonna take that off, take it apart, and swap them out basically. So So we got the tire off or whatever, and basically just pull it out after that. Gotta untangle that shit. Okay, all these and this. So we're gonna let the air out of here, take the inner tube and the tire off, and then put it on this bike basically. So let's get right to that. That boat, that boy is on there dead tight. So what we about to do, we about to take this boy up to the shop real quick, see if they can take it off for us. So we'll get back to y'all after that. All right, so look, so we went to the shop. The shop said they couldn't get our back tire off. They were real busy today. So what I did, I took this motherfucker, put this on right here, and I stood on it. Like I stand on business. I stand on it. Back outside, y'all. We got the 150 right here. Then we got the new tire right there. Alright, so we pop this off. Everything gonna get loose. Everything will come apart over here. This is slide out. And then it's a spacer as well. So make sure you keep that. Just take the chain off and the wheel come out just like that. And then we just swap them around basically. We also got to take this brake, the brakes off, so we can put it on to this one. So we're about to go ahead and do that. We're gonna get right back to y'all. So we had trouble getting the wheel off. So I called the only mechanic I know to call, my dad. Appreciate it. Alright, so after having my dad take this off right here, we just put it onto this bike. So I'm about to go ahead and reassemble everything. Alright, so we put the back wheel on, got the chain nice and tight, all of that. Now we just gotta tighten these pieces right here and start up. Oh, she cranking. First start, baby, come on. First start. Warm up, baby. We out here. You need any work done, come holler at us. This shit for real. This shit for real, baby. First takeoff for the year.
Bro, this bitch ripping, bro.
Oh yeah, that just sounds better. That just sounds way better. YouTube, what's the word? It's Dirtbike D-Lo. We back outside. We got the 150 right there, the other 150 in the back. But look, we've been working on this bike. I've been showing y'all or whatever. But today, we got this new back tire for the bike, right? It's a little bit bigger than the original back tire, and it's like, what is? Yeah, it's a 16. What's the front? Yeah, so the back is a 16, the front is a 17. They make the back sit up a little bit higher than what it actually should. And the front forks on here, you see this space? We about to raise the bike up a little bit and give it a higher, taller look. So we about to show y'all that real quick. We about to get right back to y'all. Once you take that front tire off, we already put this one on, but they just gonna, you know, it just drop down like that.
Ooh, hey, why you hating on my energy? I don't think you wanna be my enemy. I pop out, they go wild, so celebrity. Too busy winning, I forgot that I got friend of me.